Lesson 6.2, practice question number 1. Find the following quotient using a tape diagram. Remember, quotient is the answer in a division. Answer for division. So if we're going 3 divided by 5, then we know that it's just 3/5 as a fraction, but it wants us to use a tape diagram. So we're taking 3 wholes and splitting this into 5 equal parts, and each section is going to be 3/5. I'll include a check step, so 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15/5. If we divide them both by 5, this is equal to 3. I got back to my original number, so this is my check. A shorter check would be 3/5 times 5. With these, it's just kind of like 5 over 1, and the 5, you can kind of say that the 5 and the 5 cross out, and you're just left with 3, so you're left with 3. So 3/5 times 5 is equal to 3. Find the following quotient using a tape diagram. So same thing. 5 divided by 2. Please notice that the whole is 5. I actually started answering this and started doing 2 divided by 5 again. So the whole thing is worth 5, and I'm dividing it by 2. So 5 over 2 is 5. 5 divided by 2 is 5 over 2. So we would say that this is 5 halves and 5 halves. 5 halves would be the same as 2 1/2. Because 2 1/2 plus 2 1/2 is equal to 5. So each section is 5 halves, or 2 1/2. And this would be my check. Find the following quotient. 7 divided by 3 is going to be 7 over 3, 7/3. Now, using a tape diagram, what does that look like? You have 7 wholes, 7 whole pizzas, 7 whole cakes, and you're dividing it by 3, equally 3. So you're going to split the tape diagram into 3 equal parts, and each part is 7/3. 7/3, we can say 3 plus 3 is 6. This would be 1, 2 complete ones, so 2 and 1/3 is the same as 7/3, because this can be split into another 3 and another 3, and then you add the 1, so 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7/3, 7/3, and 7/3, and my check would be 7/3 times 3 is equal to 7, which is, when I get back to my original, or 7/3 plus 7/3 plus 7/3, you could say is 21/3, which is the same as 7.